Welcome back to the final episode of my five-part series on landing your first three freelance clients in 30 days. So far, we've built a strong foundation. We've tapped into your inner circle, we've explored online platforms, and we've even tackled cold outreach. But here's the thing, landing your first three clients is just the beginning. If you want freelancing to be more than a side hustle, you need the right mindset, systems, and habits to build long-term success. That's what we're going to cover today, the metrics that matter, how to avoid the feast or famine cycle, and how to create a sustainable freelance business that grows with you. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Freelance Insider Podcast, the podcast where we take a close look under the hood of the freelance world. I'm your host, Al Calder, a freelance writer and audiobook narrator. I'm here to help you with your freelance journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to ramp up your freelance game, you're in the right place. Freelancing isn't about luck. It's about tracking, improving, and being consistent. Here are two metrics every freelancer should pay close attention to. Close rate. Keep track of how many pitches you send compared to how many clients you actually land. If your close rate is low, that's not failure, it's feedback. It means you can tweak your approach and improve over time. Next, consider messaging effectiveness. Keep a record of your proposals and outreach messages. Over time, you'll notice patterns, what gets replies, what doesn't. Tiny adjustments here add up to huge results later. Remember this simple equation. Small, consistent changes equals big results down the road. For example, if you improve your close rate from 5 to 10%, that's an extra 5 clients for every 100 pitches without doing any extra work. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is the feast or famine cycle. You land a few clients, you get busy, and then suddenly the work dries right up. The solution? Consistent outreach. Even 30 minutes a day makes a difference. Block time on your calendar to send pitches or follow up emails, reach out on LinkedIn, share value driven content on social media, or simply reconnect with someone in your network. This isn't busy work, it's planting seeds that keep your pipeline full, even when you're deep in client projects. Freelancing doesn't mean doing everything alone. As your business grows, look for ways to work smarter. Project management tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized. Email tools like Boomerang or Gmail scheduling to manage follow ups. And when the time is right, consider a virtual assistant to take routine tasks off your plate. These little efficiencies free you up to focus on the high value work only you can do. To this point, we've focused on you going out to find clients. But the ultimate goal? Building a system where clients find you. Here's how you do that. Create content around your niche, blog posts, LinkedIn articles, videos, or tutorials. Optimize it for search engines so it shows up when clients are looking for solutions. Share consistently so your name becomes associated with expertise in your space. Think of this as your long game. It won't bring clients overnight, but with time, you'll start getting inbound leads, people reaching out because they already see you as the solution. That's when freelancing really starts to feel like freedom. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Freelancing is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Here are four truths to keep close. One, never give up. Rejection and failure are part of the process. Everyone starts somewhere. Two, every contact is an opportunity. Even if someone says no today, they might refer you to someone tomorrow. Three, be patient. Progress is often invisible at first, but keep going. 6 months from now, you'll be shocked at how far you've come. And four, embrace the sales role. You're not just a creator, you're also your own marketer and salesperson. The sooner you embrace that, the faster you'll grow. So let's wrap this up. In this series, we've covered building a strong foundation and portfolio, tapping into your inner circle, leveraging online platforms and marketplaces, mastering cold outreach, and now developing the mindset and systems to grow long term. The bottom line, freelance success isn't about luck. It's about visibility, consistency, and making real connections. Thank you for joining me for this entire series on landing your first three freelance clients in 30 days. My challenge to you is simple. Pick one of the strategies we've covered and put it into action today. Then stack the next and the next. Your freelance career starts the moment you decide to show up and stay consistent. So start now and I can't wait to hear about your success. Don't forget to check the show notes for some tools that can help you get started, and we'll see you next time on the Freelance Insider Show. Thanks for tuning in to the Freelance Insider Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. It helps more freelancers like you find the show. Got questions or topics you want covered? Reach out to me at remoteofficeworld.com. You can also find the link in the show description. Until next time, keep on freelancing your way to freedom.